So I got a target here. I'm in a relic dump around a bunch of iron. I've been going for a few deep targets, but I was at 0.9 discrimination, positive 0.9 discrimination just now. Now I'll discriminate all that iron out, right? 8.4 discrimination. Right, it's being discriminated out right there. See that? No tones, right? So the reason why I have it in full tones is I get an actual target on that going this way, right? If that non-ferrous is being discriminated, or if that ferrous is being discriminated out, if you're discriminating out the iron, you're gonna miss targets because you got one swing on it, right? If I'm just swinging this way, I'm probably gonna miss that. If I'm swinging this way, I'm probably gonna hit it. And I'll show you, that's discriminating out the iron, right, in full tones. Now I'll go down to full tones, hot program, minus 6.4 discrimination, so I can hear everything in the ground. And I'll show you what that does to that target, that one way that it wasn't hitting, right? See, I'm getting a high tone on it. The same way that I was swinging on that discriminated, I wasn't getting any tones on that, right? It was completely silent. All right, I'm gonna dig this one out. Sounds irony, but it could be a coin on its edge right next to a nail or something. Who knows, right? So having that full range of iron is super, super essential, man. Right on the surface, all right? There's probably some foil or something. Or something small. It is something small. And it's right near the surface. It is right on the surface. It's right there. So I'll just put this plug back in there the right way, right there. And hit on this target right here. And probably some foil. Or maybe an earring or something. That would be awesome, right? Right there. It sounds junky, so just bear with me on this one. It's in there, I can feel it right there. It's a nut, it's a brass screw. No, it's not brass, it's iron right there. Kind of had a feeling it was gonna be junky. But having that full range of iron, man, you can hear those tones pop out a lot better, right? It's a deep one. Deep target right here. Right there. Right there. Something kind of junky too, but you never know in the relic dump, right? That's the way to dig everything. See that coin ball right there? I'll bet you it is a coin ball. Oh yeah. Right freaking there, man. That coin ball. No, I don't think it's a coin ball. It is a coin ball? Is it a coin ball? It's a coin ball. Right there. Bam. Spanked it right out. These coins come out really crunchy here in this relic dump, so I just don't know. It's a memorial zinc penny. So you having that full range of iron, man. It was a squeaker. It sounded a lot deeper than that. But I'm still learning a lot about this big coil, 11-inch coil here. That's a nail. Bottle cap or something. I'm not really sure because I haven't used this coil very much, so. Right there on the surface. It's some aluminum. Part to a derailleur for a bike. Maybe a brake lever. It's for a brake lever. Or not a lever, but a brake component. Big chunk of foil right there. Nice clean tone right here, right? Mid conductor here. Maybe a little piece of brass or something. Right there. Is it a nickel? Oh yeah, is it a freaking nickel? Oh, it could be a buffalo nickel right here, man. Very well could be a buffalo nickel. Oh, it's hard ass coin ball right here. Nope. It's just a clad nickel. Right there, look at that coin ball. It made freaking awesome, man. Seems like I always get nickels in this park. It's just crazy, man. I must have got 10 nickels here yesterday, and I beat this park up pretty freaking good throughout the years, man. But before, you know, when I was using the White's machines and the other machines that I owned, they didn't do nearly as good in the iron, all right? So I skipped a lot of targets up and a lot of places up because it was just too hard to detect in them, right? You know, my MXT All Pro did pretty good in the relic dumps, but the MX Sport, I used the MX Sport for thousands of hours, and it just didn't really do very well in the iron. It actually didn't do very well just all around. It really wasn't that great of a machine, you know. Every manufacturer has its flops, and it is underneath the root. That's always the case here, man. The good stuff is always underneath the freaking roots, man. And the roots are horrible in this park, man. I think I might extract it from this side here. So I'll just go from this side. Maybe just give a little bit bigger hole there on this side of it. This could be a buffalo nickel, man. It's a pretty big root, so. Right down there. Oh boy, it's down on this side. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get it this way. Yeah, I'll have to pop it out right here. Nope, it ain't gonna come out that way. That's a huge root, so I'll just probably have to just pry on it here. Just pry on it just a little bit. Oh man, I don't want to destroy relics, right? It's a pull tab right there. Probably on this edge. A lot of stuff gets put on this edge next to roots, because that when it goes around the root there, it just ends up landing on this edge. So, yeah. I'll have to stomp this one down really good. There we go. There was a good target down there, but I'm not going to go for that one. It's a little bit too dry down there right now. In this spot, it's a little bit too dry. I dug a bunch of holes over here just the other day and yesterday with my Equinox, So my Equinox may have not hit on this one because it sounds irony. I did have my iron on the Equinox though. The whole time, pretty much the whole time I was hunting. This one's a deeper target, and the roots too. This one sounds like a good one, actually. Oh yeah, come on, bring it on. Get some of that dirt out of there. Oh, I can just pop it right out, right there. Oh boy, I don't know about this one. I don't think I'm gonna pop it out like I think. I think it's a lot deeper. It is deep. Pop it out this way, right there. There we go. Come on. Shut the pinpointer up. There we go. Come on. Oh boy. Under the roots, man. These roots are just killers in this park, man. Just killers. I'm right to it. It's gonna be right. Get around those rocks there. It's gonna come out right now, right there. Right there. Come on, baby. Oh, come on. I know you gotta be in there somewhere. Oh boy. There we go. Right there. It's coming out. Oh my Lord. What's it gonna be? Oh man, it's not wanna come out. Whatever the heck it is. Right there. Oh, some crunchy nail. X35 coil, man. Come on, baby. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. Right there. It wasn't the nail, man. It is a non-ferrous target down here. Right there. It's a penny. It's a penny. I scratched it bad. And there's another target in there too. Go for it. Oh, I just dropped it. I think I did. Another part of a nail right there. Yeah. I think that's it. Right there. That was a pretty crunchy nail, man. And those older machines just struggled at that, right? You have to swing so slow. You have to just sweep so slow over relic dumps to hit on anything, right? With these newer machines, right? These newer machines, you can swing a lot faster and still hit on those targets, right? The older machines, you had to go like this. In these relic dumps, right? This one, I can just go like this. Right? You see a huge difference when you can swing twice as fast, right? Deeper relic there. I'm not going to go for that one. I've dug enough holes in this area already, so. It's a big piece of iron here. I'm going to go for it. It's soft right here. Nice and wet too. Oh, big tree root. Oh man, big tree root. This is probably some iron. It sounds really irony. Oh, that root, man. Some glass down there already. That's good, man. Right there. Right there. Oh, that's a horrible rock down there too. Hope I don't have to extract that rock out because it's gonna be really tough to get this plug back in there. That rock comes out. Oh boy. Oh man. I might have to take that big rock out. Oh, easy with it. Some iron. Yep, some iron right there. Big piece of iron. Right here. Glass. Lots of glass down there. So I gotta be careful with this target here. Oh, it's underneath the rock. sucks. Oh man. Oh, that's a big nail. Right there. Oh, come on. Come out of there. Ah, some more. Oh, big old square nail. Look at that thing. It's an irony. But, you know, I'm not totally convinced that there isn't a silver dime down there. Right, could be a barber dime right here. Very well could be a barber dime. All right. Oh boy. Oh, the rocks are horrible here. And the glass too, man. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, it's a buckle. Look at that freaking thing, man. This is why I dig in relic dumps right there, man. Right? Yeah, look at how fragile that thing is, man. I'm so surprised I didn't destroy that relic, man. This is the reason why I dig in relic dumps right here, right? To dig up this junk. Right? But this junk right here is going in my display case because that is a freaking awesome find with the clasp on it. So that is an awesome find right there. And the Deus 11-inch coil is doing fair. It's doing fair. I wanted to hit on stuff a little bit harder. It was hitting on this one really hard, but I've had a couple coins over there, really shallow coins that were really iffy tones. So kind of like the Equinox. The Equinox, I get iffy tones on those shallower coins in iron too. But there we go. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.